Cheers to you and cheers to you. Hey, Dazers! Make sure to be careful. Welcome back. Today's video is just to say thank you. Thank you guys for helping us reach 1K and more. We have reached 1,000 subscribers and more, and we couldn't have done it without your support. We couldn't have done it without you guys, and because we are so appreciative, we are so happy that you've brought us this far. We have an announcement. Drum roll, please. All right, okay. So our announcement is we are doing a giveaway, and our giveaway, make sure take a break. So our giveaway this time is going to be for 3 lucky loyal Dazers. How many people, make sure? 3 lucky loyal Dazers. All right, try Dazers.
Try your best, Daze. And now number 3.
Okay, all right, so the first person that we're gonna pick, we're actually picking from what we've seen their activity on Hamdi'sDaze. We are picking them because we've seen that they're truly a loyal Dazer. We've seen that every time we post a video, they're the first to like the video, they're the first to watch the video, to like the video, and always leave a comment.
And tell friends.
And tell everyone else. So we really appreciate this Dazer, and we decided that we're not even going to pick from the shout out box. We are going to pick this loyal Dazer, and they're going to be our number 1 pick. And our number 2 and 3 picks, we will actually shake the shout out box, and we'll pick 2 more loyal Dazers, 2 more lucky loyal Dazers, and they are going to win the 2nd and 3rd prizes. So the first loyal Dazer that gets the first prize actually gets an 8-inch decadent either chocolate or vanilla cake. All right, that's the first Dazer.
Or brown.
The second pick, we are going to pick from the shout out box that we've had since the beginning. So the second pick will get 24 cupcakes. How many cupcakes?
24
cupcakes. All right. And then our third loyal Dazer, lucky loyal Dazer, will get a dozen cupcakes. Now, my sir, how many cupcakes are a dozen?
12.
You get 12 cupcakes.
Lucky whoever's
lucky number 3, Dazer, you get 12 cupcakes. We're going to go ahead and pick, and then we'll let you guys know who the winners are, and we'll show you guys the cake. I will actually try to show you guys how I make the cake for our special Dazers, and I'll show you guys the whole delivery process and delivering it to the loyal Dazers. I'll show you guys everything, but we just wanted to announce that we are having a giveaway for our 3 loyal Dazers, and we want to say thank you very, very much. We couldn't have done it without you. All right, thank you guys so much.
Allah Zudo.
Yes, Allah, my Allah Zudo. All right, thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.